Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of making money while you sleep, or maybe while you're on vacation? Well, today we're turning that dream into a plan. We're diving into 10 realistic passive income ideas that are set to be gold mines in 2025. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about building real, sustainable wealth. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to take notes on this one. Let's get started. First up, a classic that's not going anywhere: real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking. You need a ton of cash to start, but that's not entirely true anymore. You can get into real estate through REITs or real estate investment trusts. Think of them as mutual funds for property. You invest a small amount, and you get a piece of the profits from a huge portfolio of properties without ever having to be a landlord. Or, if you're more hands-on, consider renting out a spare room or a vacation property. The key is that your property works for you, generating rent month after month. Next, let's talk about dividends. This is my personal favorite for its simplicity. When you buy stocks in certain companies, they pay you a portion of their profits just for being a shareholder. It's like getting a thank you bonus for believing in them. Imagine building a portfolio of strong, stable companies that send you cash every quarter. Over time, you can reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares, which then pay you more dividends. It's a powerful compounding effect that can build serious wealth over the long term. It's true passive income. Number 3 is a really creative one: print on demand. Have a knack for design or a witty sense of humor. You can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, you name it, and upload them to a site like Printify or Teespring. When someone buys your product, the company prints it, ships it, and handles customer service. You just collect a royalty on every sale. You do the creative work once, and that design can keep selling for years. No inventory, no shipping headaches, just pure creative profit. Coming in at number 4 is YouTube automation. You're watching a YouTube video right now, so you know how powerful this platform is, but you don't have to be the face of the channel. Faceless channels are huge. You can hire freelancers to write scripts, do voiceovers, and edit videos on topics you're passionate about. Think history, finance, or even meditation. Once the video is uploaded, it can earn ad revenue for years to come. It takes some initial investment to get the team and system going, but once it's running, it's a content machine that earns for you 24/7. Our 5th idea is creating and selling digital products. This is a game changer. Think ebooks, online courses, Lightroom presets, or digital planners. You create the product one time, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. The profit margins are incredibly high because there are no manufacturing or shipping costs. If you have knowledge or a skill that people want to learn, package it into a digital product and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. You're literally selling your expertise on autopilot. So there you have it, the first 5 powerful ways to start building passive income streams in 2025. We've covered everything from the tangible world of real estate to the digital frontier of online products. But we're only halfway through. The next 5 ideas are just as exciting and could be the perfect fit for you. Think about which of these resonates with you the most. Is it the stability of real estate, the simplicity of dividends, or the creativity of print on demand? Let me know in the comments below which one you're most excited to try. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any value from this video, please hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. You won't want to miss part 2, where we'll reveal the next 5 passive income ideas to secure your financial future. See you in the next video.